let's rate some slimes. My mom bought 2 new slimes, and let's try it. Let's try the blue one first. We're gonna open it and let's see what we get. Oh, it's actually quite like a jelly looking. When it comes out, it comes out actually like a dumpling. It's non-stretchy. For the stretchiness, I'll give it a 5. Now let's try the sliminess. Sliminess could be a 3 because it's not quite slimy. Jelliness, it's definitely 10 out of 10 because it is quite jelly. So we're done with our first one. Let's try the next one. I love wearing this sweater. It's my favorite. This bowl is done. Let's try the yellow one. Oh my god, it looks like fried eggs. Let's pour it out. This one needs safetiness. Oh my god, you can't hold it for that long because if you hold it for long, it'll stick to your hands. So let's try it. Let's try this. Let's at least try the stretchiness. Definitely an 8 out of 10. Now we're gonna find the jelliness. There's no way. Jelliness 1 because it's not actually quite jelly a lot. It's actually quite stretchy. And slimeness, it's about a 9 because it's very slimy. I can make dim sum with this. This looks so cool. And this was all made for me. Comment down below which one do you think is the best one.